In today's video, I'm going to show you the best audio enhancer there is out there. So let's play the audio so you see that this audio has a bit of noise. So I'm going to play this audio. So this is the audio we want to enhance and remove out the noise and every other thing and make it sound professional. I'm going to go over to my browser and you will come over to Adobe Podcast. You search for enhanced speech from Adobe. You will need to sign into Adobe. Once you sign in, you come over here and this is what you will see. You click on choose file here to upload your audio to this side. Select my audio now. Audio uploading and enhancing. My audio file has been enhanced. It's free to enhance your audio and get a professional quality audio. So you're going to preview that and see how our audio sounds now. Where is the sound? So you see, we didn't even hear the sound of the noise. I was looking for the sound. There was no sound of noise. It was all quiet. It took out the noise. How cool is this audio? Now that we finished previewing our audio, I'm going to click on download to download this audio into your device. Like this video if you got value from it and subscribe to the channel.